Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 37 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the madmax car, folks, yes, from our good old friends over at Hachette Partworks. Now, if you would like to grab this beautiful 1/8 scale model, head over to their website, folks. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. That will take you to their website where you can subscribe to this beautiful, beautiful Partwork. So let's have a quick whiz through this week's magazine and see what we've got. Doing left wheel stage 4, so we're putting in the rear left wheel arch. This is where it's going on our Falcons today, folks, over on this side. What we would call in the UK the near side, because it's curbside. Nice simple instructions. We're going to need the brake hubs from previous issue there with the drums, etc. So grab them. Also going to need the big fat rear wheel, which is just there as well, because we're putting the other rear wheel on today. Nice and simple, folks. Nice, simple to follow instructions. There it's showing you the hubcap going in the centre. So, yeah, keep an eye on that. And when they're going to be putting in the inner wheel arch as well, folks, okay? So that's that, looking rather sexy. And that's what we're going to end up with at the end of today's issue. Is Cars on Screen, Dirty Harry from 1971. And he was investigating Scorpio. And this is a 66 Ford Custom 500 that meets at a very sticky end after trying to have a fight with a fire hydrant. 1971, my God. Don't seem that long ago. So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side. We'll bring in our parts and we'll start a bit of further assembly for you folks, okay? Right, let's get our DS12 screw ready. I'm going to drop a little bit of oil in place, like so. We can then bring in our chassis, like that. Let's just pop that safely to one side. There we go. There you go. Right. There you go. So there's our chassis from a previous issue, folks. Got our little woodruff key there at the top and our tab showing on the rear axle there. Okay, so that's going to sit just in there like that. I'll help that in place, I think, with a bit of glue, just be on the safe side. I did the same on the other side in the end. So let's put a little bit of white cap on there. Just stops that doing a flappy McFlappykins. And like I say, once everything gets tightened in place, that'll tighten up nicely. And then we've got the same on the inside of the wheel there. We've got a little woodruff key to orientate that drum like so. Give that a little lift up with your finger. And then we've got the wheel in situ there. And then we can feed the screw in place. Just like so. I like nice little friction fit on mine. Just like so. So that's what we've got there. We then want to put in our wheel arch of goodness, which is just here. So let's spin our chassis upside down and bring that in like that. There you go. Let's just give that a little tweak like that. Right, let's grab a screw. We'll get a bit of oil in it like that. Bop. And then we'll bring our wheel arch in. Same process as before. Lining it up with the tabs of tabbiness. Like that. And we want to go right in the middle there. Right down in there. Like that. Grab the next one. Same process, a little bit of oil. Go right down the front on this one. And then, last but no means least, we'll have that one there. Right down on the rear end there. I have you a piece of that. So that is today's assembly done and dusted, folks. We got another wheel on the chassis there. I'm not putting the centre caps in on mine until the very end of the build. So I've got them safely kept in a bag, folks, okay? But that's what we're going to end up with today. Nice finished chassis. So, if you would like to grab this for yourself, folks, and build one of these along with me, head over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can have one of these on your bench. Let's give that a dust. Also, to help me out, you can just click little festikins in the corner there. Subscribe to the channel. Really helps the channel grow, and I'm immensely grateful. Ring the bell whilst you're there to get notified of upcoming future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.